Welcome to Smarter Way of Thinking, where ideas come alive on Canva's interactive whiteboard. Let's turn your brainstorming sessions from confusing to crystal clear with Canva's visual whiteboard tools. If you love visuals planning, you are going to love how Canva whiteboard organizes thoughts with zero effects. Today, I will show you how to capture ideas, connect concepts, and build mind maps effortlessly using whiteboard. So right now I am at the website of the canva.com. As you can see the interface. So we are going to create actually we are going to create a whiteboard, okay, for the visuals. So I will just click on this create button, okay, and in this left section you will see a whiteboard section. Here you can create a whiteboard and visualize your ideas, and you can do mind mapping as well. You can see there are multiple templates available here. Some are free templates and some are paid. The paid templates are available in a paid plan, okay. So I have a paid plan on Canva. So let's start with the empty whiteboard first. So this is the main interface where we are going to create our whiteboard for visuals, and we will do some brainstorming as well. You can see there are lots of template here. You can search here any kind of template you want, like if you want a template for mind mapping, or you want to create a template for the tasks, or for the projects. You can find each and everything from here, okay. Let's say we are going to make a social media strategy development chart, okay. So we can see this chart is available here. You can just simply click on this template and you will get lots of template here regarding this concept, okay. So you can see this is the one that we have selected, okay, and you can also change the charts from here. Let's say we go for the project timeline chart, okay. So I just selected this chart, and then it will just appear here in just a few seconds, because it's just taking a time. It's loading, okay. So you can see that it has opened here. This is the one whiteboard template, and this is the other one. Let's we delete this one, okay. And so that's how you can delete, okay. So you can work on this whiteboard Canva. Let's zoom in. So here you can do all the changes that you want to do. Like you can make changes to the title, you can change the description, you can change the data, and the results will automatically change accordingly, okay. So you can see this is a very attractive one, the whiteboard brainstorming idea, okay. You can use it in your projects explanation as well as in the mind mapping. So that's all about how you can create a Canva whiteboard, and how you can select or edit any template available for the visualization or any kind of explanation with the help of these charts. So I will catch you in the next video with another topic. Till then, goodbye.